Picture this: an entire nation held in bondage for centuries, suddenly breaking free in one of history's most extraordinary mass migrations. Around 1300 BCE, Moses stood before Pharaoh, demanding the release of 2 million enslaved Israelites from Egypt. After a series of devastating plagues ravaged the land, Pharaoh finally relented. What followed was an unprecedented logistical marvel. Organizing 2 million people, including families with children and elderly, along with their livestock and possessions, required extraordinary leadership and divine intervention. The journey to the Red Sea alone involved coordinating a human column that would have stretched for miles. When Egyptian forces pursued them, Moses parted the waters, allowing safe passage before the sea closed upon their enemies. This escape wasn't merely about physical liberation, but the birth of a nation and the foundation of monotheistic faith that would influence civilization for millennia.